Welcome nerds to another video. Today, another tutorial for the Serum, one of our first actually. And this will be something pretty basic. We are going to make a Saw Psytrance bassline together. So we have our kick, pretty simple kick. Here's the settings for bassism, for people that use it. And we have it going in a loop. There you go. And what we want now is a bass line. So maybe E or maybe D. Let's try E. Yeah, exactly. First thing that we have to do is go to add random phase 0 for a solid bass line. I mean, it depends. You can also like add it. It's really like up to you, but usually I would go with something that is more straightforward and more controllable and doesn't have random phase. So it's maybe interesting, but it's not the best suited for a psychedelic trance bassline to get that 100%, tight when it comes to the phasing. So we go with 0 in this case, and of course we need a filter. And yeah, I mean, let's go to envelope 2, put that on the cutoff, go negative. Positive. Why does it look like that? Let's maybe go 1 up. Or 1 down. And also, let's have a look at the mixer quickly, because yeah, you definitely need to pull down the kick, of course. Let's adjust it a little bit. I mean, it's really up to you, to be honest with you. Like, it's like you can have it very dry or a little bit more juicy. And now what we can try, well, Serum 2 filters. Really, like a lot of them, I don't even know. Like acid ladder. I mean, let's try it. Nice. Acid ladder is approved by me. EMS ladder. EMS. Emergency services. They all sound really good. EMS ladder. Didn't know about that filter in particular, but that's the awesome thing here. Okay, no, that I guess not. Well, it's another color. Kind of sounds interesting. Oh yeah, let's also reduce resonance to 0. I guess that was like slightly activated. Yeah, I would put that to 0 in our case. I like this one for some reason. I mean, like, there's like a lot of cool new filters. That's awesome to see. F0. Let's quickly go to the kick. Get that maybe to F0. Yeah, there you go. I like it. Simple and clean. Now this is where it becomes interesting. You can mix the filter. So now we're like 4.1, 1.1. Dude, that is actually not bad, but let's have a look at the mix. I mean, no, we're still good. Really intuitive and really awesome. Let's go to FX. Let's see. What the alright. Sounds kind of insane. But I'm not sure what it does. And yeah, but it's still in range. Like, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't really dramatically change the volume, but definitely dramatically changes the sound. I will have to look into that. But, I mean, just by listening to it sounds kind of... I mean, this is the original signal. 50%. 100%. 100% sounds actually the best in my opinion. Alright, then convolve. It's again another thing where I'm like completely not sure, but yeah, let's see. I think I would leave it with Bode, whatever Bode is. OG signal, Bode signal. I have no idea what Bode is. Maybe somebody in the comments can tell me what Bode is, or later I will find out sooner or later, but I guess we're going with Bode in this case. Alright, this is like the matrix modulation, but it's a pretty simple sound here, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's go to FX and like... Sounds mad. The reason also why it sounds kind of like red is because we slightly increased the filter output in the mixer. This is like, I feel like, okay, like I'm getting it. I guess it's like sort of ingenious in a way, like, truthfully. But we have to work more with this to like have any kind of like final say about this, of course. But gee dang, I mean, like, that really gives it the juice. And then whatever that shit is, like, Lord, oh Lord, telling from my headphones, sounding interesting. I think I will go with that. I mean, like, right now we are like also at a stage where it's like zero processed, which can be a good thing potentially, I feel. But keep that in mind, that we are talking about like stuff that isn't really processed right now. So there's no EQ, etc. going on for now. Let's call that kick and bass. And give it a color. We give it a red color. And we can right away actually go ahead and like take another instance of Serum 2. I think it might be like a little bit more heavy than prior iterations of the Serum line. AKA Serum 1. That's the only other one that exists. But I mean, lots has happened since then, and it might very well be that it has a huger load on the processor and system in general than the first one. But yeah, this is where we will do our next sound. I hope that you enjoyed it. I certainly did. If you did, smash that like right now, and leave a comment as well to heat up the algorithm. It doesn't even have to be anything like super specific. You can just like leave your support with like a smiley, or if you have any question or feedback, then put that down in the comment section below. Furthermore, you can check out our website. That's audionerdz.net, audionerdz.net, if you want to check out the website and see what's up there. We have killer merch and also lots of other stuff for music producers, samples, presets, courses, and more. With that said, don't forget that you are lovely, and I see you in the next video. Subscribe and ring the bell.